Okay, back to our routine. As you have seen, man is going to lead 2.5 rotations. You're going to lead that with the left hand. 1, 2. We're actually holding hands this time, but you can also lead it holding the lady's wrist, whatever you prefer. After the second rotation, lower the left hand, let go of the lady, take a side step together at the same time. Let's now focus on the men's steps. We're going to show this in the opposite direction so you can see better. And then we're gonna get back to the ladies' steps. Okay, so the man is standing on the left leg, holding the lady's wrist, taking a step to the right, left, right, left, let go of the lady's hand, take a final step to the side, spreading your arms to the sides. It's very important that during the last step you need to first bend the left knee, push off the left leg to transfer the body weight onto the right leg. Right knee is bent as well, spread your arms to the sides. As you're walking behind the lady, you should rotate your pelvis in such a way that you can simply walk behind the lady. So your upper body is to the lady, but your pelvis and steps are to the right so you can walk naturally. Let's now focus on the lady's steps. We're after the pose, to the left, to the right, and now the lady is going to rotate. Remember about taking small steps onto the left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Now you're going to wait for the man for a while. You can see him with the corner of your eye, and then you need to match your timing to take the final step together. Bend the left knee, transfer the body weight onto the right leg, and spread your arms as well. Remember about all the rules that we've mentioned for the rotations. Keep the back straight, flex your core muscles, keep your arm energized, connected to your body. Remember about taking small steps. This should all allow the partner to lead you during the rotations. Now we're going to count the part that we've covered so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,